What's up my people, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to cut a full dashiki, a long full dashiki like this. I've gotten a lot of tutorial on this, so I'll be taking you guys through the process of cutting this step by step. The first thing you're going to do is to get your measurement, which is going to be the wideness of the shoulder, the wideness of the outfit itself, because the outfit is cut all the way from the shoulder down. So once you understand your wideness, and the best way to get your wideness is through your shoulder, you're going to take your measurements from the center back to where you want the sleeve to end. From the center back to where you want the sleeve to end. So whatever you get is from the center back to where your sleeve is going to end is going to be 20. Then all your wideness here is going to be 20 plus the folding allowance on the side. You get, so you're going to be folding 20 plus the folding allowance at the side, right? That's 20 plus 2, which will give us 22. That's what I'm going to measure here. So basically this is the front that we are cutting, and once you get your wideness, the next thing is going to be the length of the kaftan itself. So the length I'm using here is 52. If you measure your own, whatever length you have from your shoulder all the way down is what you're going to apply here. 52, I'm going to add a 1 inch allowance for the joining on the shoulder to it, which will give me 53 inches. So I'm going to mark 53 inches here, and I'm going to simply cut it out. I already marked my 53 length on both sides. I'm going to connect it together, and I'm going to cut it out. And do not forget, this is just the front panel. This is the front panel. Once I get this, the next thing is to simply cut it out. So once I cut it and I cut the side, you can see, just trim that part out. So I'm going to be adding an extra 4 inches, and I'm going to cut exactly this wideness, but the length is going to be added extra 4 inches to the length, right? So I already cut that. That's for my back panel. So I have both my front and my back. So my front is on top of my back panel. So I have two of exactly same wideness, but 4 inches apart for the length. You get. So now, as I have this now, the next thing now is going to be the shoulder slant. On the shoulder, I'm going to be slanting it by 4 inches. On the shoulder, 4 inches, I'll slant the shoulder of the agbada, of the dashiki, I mean, sorry, not agbada, of the dashiki by 4 inches, and I'm going to connect that line together. You can see that. Just the same process in which we use in cutting our senator. Basically, very similar. So I'm going to simply cut that out. That's the shoulder slope. Some people call it shoulder slant. Whatsoever, just make sure you slant or you slope the shoulder. So just cut that part out. You need to cut the shoulder slope. It can be, for an adult, it should be like around that 4 inches. For children, you can do like 3.5 or 3 inches, but it still has to slope. So once I have that, I'm going to simply take out I'll drag down the front panel to align with the edge of the back panel so that I can have my overlap on the shoulder, on the slant area. So once I have that, the next thing is to simply overlap the shoulder. And I already add my folding allowance on the side. So I'll be out overlapping this by 1/2 inch, just like so. You can see that. I'll overlap it by 1/2 inch. And I'm going to take 4 inches for my neck depth, 4 inches here, and the wideness is going to be at 2.5 inches. You can see that, and I'll simply connect it together, just like so. You can see that. Once I'm done with that, I'll simply cut it out. You can see, and I'll cut the neck as well. You can see that. So basically, once you're cut out your neck, you are done. This is the whole process. This is all you have to cut. The next thing is to simply join your shoulder together, then join the side together and open and create an opening on the side and do put your plaquette, and that is all. So that's all about cutting this.